Good morning, sir.
What we are having in front of is blank page. Understand? We don't have any line. So first of all, we need to make a reference line. Correct or not? There should be one line which is parallel and one should be perpendicular, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? Okay. You please keep responding so that I can know that I am still in contact, that my contact is not lost. Okay. So what we will do, we will draw one reference line. How we will draw? We will use this edge of a page. Okay, and we are having scale, so we will have that parallel line to the parallel to the edge of the page, isn't it? Now this line is our reference line which is parallel to this edge. Correct? Correct or not? And you can easily draw perpendicular lines also if required using set square or whatever. Clear? Now I have repeatedly mentioned that whenever you start problem, you should know where you should be requiring, where you will be requiring space, on top side, on bottom side, where my problem will be. If you start from here and your major portion of drawing is coming downward, so it will go out. You will have to rub everything and you will have to redraw it. So it is not advisable, correct? So before starting, you should know how my picture will be. For this particular problem, you don't know right now because you haven't learned it. That is fine. Here in this problem, you will require more space on top side. Okay. And a little space on downward side. So we will relatively start from, if this is my page, okay, this is my complete page. I will relatively start from a little bit bottom part, just to be little down to the middle. Okay. Okay. So I will have another reference line for myself, which is parallel. Okay. So I got one reference line. Hope you can see it. Is it visible? Is the reference line is visible?
Yes.
Okay. Now, one problem statement is given that how much line it is? Polygon side is
40 mm.
40 mm. So now we will make this 40 mm line, this horizontal line, using scale or compass or whatever is convenient to you. In short, draw one horizontal line of 40 mm. Draw it precisely and directly in sketchbook, so your work is already done, that class work is already done. If you draw in sketchbook directly, it is done. You need not to repeat again. Don't do in rough, directly do in sketchbook. Understand or not? So it will it will save your time. Okay, so I will give it name AB. This is 40 mm AB. Clear, everyone? Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will draw one perpendicular line from B. One perpendicular line from point B. Okay, you can use your better to use this protector. Initially, when you don't know how much long it should be, etc., then you draw very thin line that we have seen. Projections line are very thin line, etc. in first sheet. Okay. Now you need to inscribe one line of 4 centimeter on this perpendicular line. So we will use compass. We'll measure it like this and we will get one point over here. That we name it as P. Okay. So this line you can darken because this will be the part of our solution. So what we did, we drawn one horizontal line of given dimension and a vertical line from one of the point of that line of given dimension. So these both line dimensions are same. Clear? Now join AP, but very thin, very light line. Join AP with straight line. As well as join AP by a chord. Sorry, arc. Like this. Is it more clear now?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Have you done this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will draw a bisector. We will draw a bisector to perpendicular bisector to this AB line that you all know very well how to draw. So extend one bisector. That is also a thinner line. You can have it longer on top side. This bisector. Okay. Now listen carefully. This bisector, perpendicular bisector to line AB, is intersecting straight line AP as well as arc AP, isn't it? The straight line is intersecting this straight line AP as well as this quadrant AP, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So this bisector is intersecting straight line AP as well as this quadrant AP. So now where it is intersecting the straight line AP, at that point we will name it number 4. You give name number 4. And where it is intersecting this curvature, you give it number 6. Clear? Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we will do, we will take 4 as a center and A4 as radius and draw one circle. Very light circle, not dark, light. It should pass through point P and point B, isn't it? Then your drawing is accurate. Okay. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now same radius from point P. Sorry, you now take length equal to AB. Length equal to AB. And from point P, cut one arc on circle. Radius equal to AB or say given dimension, and from P, cut one point on circle. Okay. Now we have got 4 points, A, B, P, and this latest one. Okay, you join them. That will give us square. First polygon, square. Everyone got your square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is how you can draw one square of given dimension. Okay. Now carefully observe, we have given that point name 4. And square is having how many sides? Square is having
4.
how many sides?
4.
4. Okay. Now from point 6, we will repeat this exercise. Now point 6, take radius equal to A6 and draw one circle. Circle will again pass through A and B. Okay. Now, distance equal to AB. We will mark points on circle. Okay. By giving arcs. For example, distance equal to AB. From A, we will fetch 1 point first of all. From that point, we will get another point in succession like this. Ultimately, this will fetch us which polygon?
Hexagon.
Ultimately, this will hexagon, correct? Because we are also using 6 number. That's why we have used this number 6. So you will get 4 additional points in addition to this A and B. join those points. So you will get that hexagon of given dimension. If you carefully measure, each line or each side of this polygon will be 4 centimeter or say 40 mm. What is the base dimension? Correct? Got hexagon?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will draw pentagon. For pentagon, we need one point numbered 5. How we will get that point?
Bisect by 4 and 6.
Yes. So we will have one midpoint of line 4, 6. That will give us point number 5. So whatever method is convenient to you, you can directly use your scale also, or whatever is convenient to you, you can use that. And bisect this line to get just point. You don't require to draw whole line. So give that point as number 5. And again, we'll repeat the procedure. From A5 radius 5 as circle, we will draw one circle. That will also pass through A and B. Whatever circle you draw, it should pass through A and B. Then your drawing is accurate. Similarly, now as more and more circle will be here, you please precisely cut and mark the points. You should know which circle you are doing currently. Then join those points. For every polygon, your starting point will be A and ending point will be B. Got everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now we will draw next polygon. What is next polygon? Heptagon. Correct. How we will draw that heptagon? For that we require point number 7. How we will get that point number 7? How we will get that point number 7? Just imagine.
By taking measurement of 4, 5, or 6.
So this 4 to 5, 5 to 6, that distance is same. So same will happen for 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Understand? So you measure this 4 to 6 and like this. So you will have 2 points. One is 0.7, another is 0.8. We will go up to 8 only, that's why. So you complete your heptagon and octagon quickly without wasting much time. Procedure is same. A7 is the radius, 7 is the center, draw one circle. So now in exam, what can happen? Directly you may be asked to draw heptagon or octagon or any other circle. So you need not to repeat these intermediate procedures. You can directly draw that procedure. But what you will have to show is how you get this 0.4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Now, if you carefully observe, for these odd points, that's 7, etc., 5, 7, etc., the apex point will come on this perpendicular bisector only. If you start arcing from here and your pointer does not come on this line, or it comes just about this line somewhere, so you stop there only and redo it from point B, A, etc. So there will be some, definitely there will be some error. Understand? This will give you one hint if you are wrong. This circle should be very light. I am not just asking to draw this circle, etc., very light also. Not just a sake of just a minute. I'm not asking to draw certain things light, certain thing light, dark, just to make it clean and more appreciable. But that lightening and darkening of the lines also highlights your understanding about the subject. You can't darken every line. Understand? Have you completed octagon, heptagon?
Yes, sir.
show me your screen. Whoever is done. This. Okay, now it is more visible. So what is this horizontal line? Some horizontal line is there, dark horizontal line from point number 5. What is this? Who is this? CH012.
सर वो गलती से हो गया वो.
Rub it. Okay. Or there is also CH023. This line
Yes, sir.
joining AP, this AP line should also be very light. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Straight line AP should also be light. Anyone else? Please show me someone if you are done. Okay. Hope everyone has got this pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Okay. Is there is any question regarding this sheet number 1? You can ask it right now. Sheet number 1 is over. This was the only problem we have kept aside. But now this is also done. Okay, so start preparing sheet number 1 also. Okay. Now I will share you sheet number 2. You all have sheet number 2 with you?
Sir, I have doubt in sheet 3.
Sheet 3 we will discuss. What sheet 3? Engineering course. What doubt you are having?
Yes, sir. Sir, question number 7.
What doubt you are having?
Question number 7, sir. Spiral.
What doubt you are having?
नहीं था उसमें.
You were not there, so that was not my problem. Please. Okay. You now understand. First thing, everyone listen carefully. If someone misses lecture in any subject, anywhere, from due to some your inavailability, so you should immediately consult your friends. Understand?
सर पर आपने ये स्केचबुक में नहीं करवाया है.
I have explained it in class. Okay. I have in detail explained everything in class. So you better contact your friend in any subject. If you have these things, immediately contact your friends. It has been almost 1 month or 20 days since this has been done. And one more thing, everyone, if you haven't joined Google Classroom yet, please join it. The link is already there in your chat box. Okay, I have uploaded assignments. Or this same thing you need to respond to same through Google Classroom only. Understand? Who is okay? Now, do you anyone from you are having some CR or something like that, or there is nothing as such yet? Is there anyone CR or something? Class representative also. Who has CR?
No.
Okay, no problem. Right now, I have also uploaded sheet number 4. Okay, projection of points and projection of line. In that, I have uploaded 2 documents. Now the questions are too long actually in projection of line and projection of points, so it will waste lot of time in writing that in sheet. So what you can do, I have kept one simple format. You can print it directly and kept it keep it as your questions, problem statements. Fine. And in sheet, you can directly give precise numbering at which problem is which number, etc. Okay. So you need not to write all the questions in that thing. Okay. Now I will be sharing sheet number 2. We will quickly discuss the same. Okay. I am just sharing it in your chat box. Please find it from that. This sheet number 2, sheet number 3 has been done long before actually. Before we started, I took over from engineering course. Fine. So before that, it is already been covered. But due to the unavailability of your Google IDs, etc., these classes were not given as assignment or submission, etc. That we can do it now. You all have your IDs. So please find it. Everyone got it in chat box? Sheet number 2.
No, sir.
Anyone? Sheet number 2 chat box में डाला देखो. I am talking about chat box of Zoom only. Zoom chat box में डाला ये करंट सेशन में देखो. किसी को मिला?
No, sir.
Rishi, you may have circulated this, I think.
Yes, sir. I have circulated.
So everyone will be having, na? Who is not
Yes, sir.
having? Is there anyone who is not having sheet number 2 problem statements with him or her? Is there anyone? Okay, fine. So I assume that everyone is having. Though I have again shared it in your chat box just now. You can find it easily from there. You can just click it on. Just click on it and you will be able to see. Do you know how to access chat box, everyone? Everyone, write down your roll number in chat box for attendance. Everyone, write down your roll number in chat box. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear you. Don't know.
Screen is visible, sir.
Please speak something.
Screen is visible.
Again, speak.
Screen is visible, sir.
Okay. So what is the first problem? What is RF? Right? Unit conversion for metric and British system. Okay. What is RF? Quickly, we need to wrap it up as quickly as possible. What is RF? Chalo, fast answer me. What is RF? What is RF? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Representative factor.
Am I audible? Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
What is RF?
Yes, sir.
What is RF? Anyone?
representative factor.
Representative factor.
Yes,
What is
sir.
that? What is that?
Representative factor.
What is that?
Dimension of drawing by dimension of object.
Correct. Drawing size by actual size. Correct. So that you need to write that definition. Okay. I will just give you that thing. So what you need to do is you need to write it like this. That is representative factor. It is here is mistake. That is not fraction. It is factor. Representative factor. Drawing size by actual size. Now, as we know that you are told that unit conversion from British and metric system you need to write. Right now, it is not mentioned which unit you should convert because every unit system has every unit na, such as weight, density, pressure, etc. But we are dealing in drawing. Okay, we are talking about engineering drawing. So it is length only. Okay, so in metric system, we start from smallest unit of metric system is millimeter. Okay, so from millimeter we will start and we will go up to kilometer. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. That is very well known to us. But the second one now, 10 centimeter is 1 decameter. That is at times unknown. That goes out of our mind at times. Okay, then we have 10 decimeter, sorry, not decameter, that decimeter to 1 meter. Okay, now important one is this, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. That is at time not known to us. Then again this one, 10 decameter is hectometer, and 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. We directly know kilometer to meter and kilometer to mm, etc. See now, if we want to see kilometer to meter, how much it is? 10 into 10 into 10. So it is getting 1000 meter. That we know very well, isn't it? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can also take snapshot of this just for your reference. But this you directly see sheet number 2. Everything there are only 2 or 3 problem. I have mentioned it. I will upload it. That you need to do in sketchbook. Otherwise, everything you directly draw in sheet. It is, you should not waste your time in sketchbook. Directly in sheet. Okay. So this is the metric system. Millimeter to centimeter, centimeter to decimeter, decimeter to meter, meter to decameter, decameter to hectometer, and hectometer to kilometer. Understand? And it works in the multiplication of 10. Okay. Now British system is something different. Okay. Now its smallest unit is again centimeter, whereas longest unit or say equivalent unit to kilometer is mile. In a British system or American system, people talk distance in terms of mile. We went this much miles from here to there, etc. So that is, these numbers are not that simple as compared to metric system. We are having 10 only. Here we are having multiplication factor as 10. Here we don't have any unique multiplication factor. Okay. So first we are having 2.5 centimeter is equal to 1 inch, then 12 inch is equal to 1 feet, then 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, 220 yard is equal to 1 furlong, and 8 furlong is equal to 1 mile. Okay. Now, do you know, everyone, most of you must be interested in cricket, I think. So you may have heard this 22-yard wicket. Why it is so? It all matters on that 22 yard. We may hear these things repeatedly. You can. Why it is so? Are you getting my question? What I am asking?
सर
Yes.
सबमिशन के लिए थोड़ा टाइम मिलेगा?
किस चीज
यस
का
सर
submission?
टाइम चाहिए
सर टाइम दो ना थोड़ा सबमिशन के लिए।
Now don't
नहीं होगा सर
don't
हाँ
behave
सर।
immature. Just
कल
listen
नहीं
to
हो
me.
पाएगा।
First of all, listen. नहीं हो पाएगा ये कौन बोला? ये मेरे को पहले खाली बता दो. Who just said कल नहीं हो पाएगा? This is not your way to talk. First of all. Second, don't behave immature. Third, the sheet and sketchbook what I have uploaded right now for sheet number 3 that we have done, I have proper record that we have done on, let me tell you the precise date on which date we did. Okay, just I will let you know. We started sheet number 3 problem in at least starting from 30th November. Understand? Started with 30th November. It is 30th December. Don't give these weird excuses. Understand? And don't tell nahi ho paega. You are given enough time. 1 month is you will be doing these problems from each sheet in within 2.5 hours in exam. Understand? Till time you are not having these IDs, etc. So we let it be. We did not submit it, etc. These things are continuous process. Understand? You need to continuously do with class. Most of the time, I also do with you in sketchbook. So sketchbook work is almost complete every time. You are not keeping sketchbook with you, that is your problem. Whatever is given to you in sketchbook, that thing I have already in my sketchbook 2 times. One with batch A, one with batch B. Understand? So you must have done with me. I repeatedly tell you to do it with me, do it with me. The sketchbook part is already over. And this projection of line parts or projection of this, first of all, the engineering curve. It has been started in last week of November. Many of you may have not purchased even seat as yet. Now pay attention to what is going on right now. Understand? And this, whatever I am uploading right now as assignment, this has been done already previously. It is not that I have just taught you 1 day or 2 day back. This is what currently we are discussing for sheet purpose, that is already been covered before I started the engineering curves. Understand? I'm just
Excuse me,
brushing.
sir.
Yes.
सर मेरा एडमिशन लेट हुआ सो इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स मुझे नहीं आता तो मैं कल तक नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
Okay. In such case, when you got your admission?
दिसंबर में ही हुआ.
Okay. In that case, we can understand. That is understandable. You have such a genuine reason, that is fine. That is no issue. We will give you 1 week extension.
ओके सर.
Anyone else is having some genuine problem? Please tell me. Who just said कल नहीं हो पाएगा? I know who said it. First of all. One thing you understand, that you are no more little boys and girls. Mature enough. You are mature enough. Understand? It is not like that I am teaching it currently and giving you some. I am informing you to submit tomorrow. It is not like that. Correct? Please, anyone, if you have some doubt or questions, we can solve it right now so that it will be convenient to everyone. Please let me know if you are having some genuine reasons. Let me know. Do you all have academic calendar with you? Do you know what is academic calendar? You will be having some fixed dates given. You can easily find it from maybe from a website. That what is the last day of teaching, what is the last day of submission, everything is given. If this was our regular classes, all 5 sheets would have been submitted by now. But though, as you are not having these IDs and no platform to submit, that's why we gave you extended time. So it is already we are having good enough time. As soon as it is completed in class, you can do it at your home immediately on the same day. Please share with me if there is any genuine reason. You can have some way out. Anyone is having some problem like this girl, what is she saying? No problem, okay. So now we can get back to our work. Okay, so what I asked you, one just interesting question, that why it is 22 yard, it is termed the cricket pitch, because that is also invented by British people or not, isn't it? British people invented that sport or say game, and they decided some particular distance between that, and they were following this British system wherein this yard come. That's why it is 22 yard. Understand? Okay. So this is it. This is the first problem. You need to draw. You need to rather write this information as the problem number one. Correct. Now, what is the second one that we will see? Now, what is the second one? Read it. Construct a plane scale of RF 1 by 100 to show meters and decimeters. Maximum measurement required is 10 meters, and you also need to indicate this dimension. Actually, I need not to repeat this in these details, but it will be a refreshment, so refreshing your earlier understanding. That's it. So now we will do that. How we will do? What is the first procedure? What is the first step? What is the first step? Anyone answer me? What is the first step in constructing a plane scale? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please answer me, everyone. What is the plane? What is the first? Sorry? I could not hear. Someone said something, I could not hear. What is the first step to construct a plane scale? You should know RF, isn't it? Correct or not? RF is given 1 by 100. Okay. Then the second important step is length of scale. How do you calculate length of scale? Answer me. How do you calculate length of scale? Answer me, how can you calculate length of scale? Deacon, do you know? Deacon,
Yes, sir.
do you know how to calculate length of scale?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, Nikhil,
No, sir. No.
Arjun?
No.
Very good. That is correct. Who is this? Uh, who just said the answer?
Rushi.
Okay, correct. The length of scale is equal to RF into maximum what you need to measure. Okay, in current case, what is that? Maximum distance you need to measure is how much it is? 10 meters, isn't it? But we in our engineering drawing or say engineering this problem solve, we generally draw in terms of centimeter. So rather this meter will be converted into centimeter. So you should know what are the conversion factors. And we are having this RF, so we'll directly put it here. Okay, so 1 over 100 into this 10 into this 100. So actually we converted this length of scale from meter into centimeter. So now here will be centimeters. Okay, so this and this goes. So it will, length of scale will be 10 centimeter. Those who don't know, please pay attention now. Okay, this is being taught second time. So length of scale is 10 centimeter, correct? Now what is the next procedure? What is the next step? Anyone? What is the next step? You got the length of scale as 10 centimeters.
Draw a scale of 10 centimeter.
Correct. So we will draw one. You do it simultaneously, everyone. I am not doing for myself. So we'll draw a line of 10 centimeter like this. Okay, so this distance will be 10 centimeter. Okay. This distance will be 10 centimeter. Correct. Now we will divide this into 10 parts. Correct.
Yes, sir.
You assume this. You assume this to be equal. Okay, you can do it properly. Okay. Now what is next step? What is next step? What is next step? Chalo, who was answering? Please answer me. It will be further revision. we will divide this first portion into 10 parts. 2, 3. Isn't it? Correct? Rather, I will directly show you in my sketchbook. I will let us do that way. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So now what we will do, first of all, we will draw a 10 centimeter line, which is this is actually done and we are repeating it again. We will divide it into 10 equal parts. Clear? Is it visible? Okay. Then we'll start numbering from 0 from the first line. Rather than this first line, we will start from second line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we will divide this first portion into 10 parts. We'll divide it into 10 parts. That is equal 10 parts. 1, 2, 3. Got it? This is our decameter. And this is our meter. Like this. Visible? So this is, we have all constructed the plane scale, what was asked for. This plane scale can measure up to 10 meter. This is from 0 to 9, it is 9 meter. And this is also 1 meter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 meter. So from the outer to outer, it will be 10 meter maximum what is asked for, isn't it? This you can measure 10 meter. Now what you are asked, what you are required to indicate, which dimension? Answer me, which dimension you are required to? Chalo, answer bolo. Arey, what you are asked to indicate in that problem? Open your problem statement and answer me. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Eight meter and 7 decimeter.
Yes, correct. Okay, so 8 meter you are required to, so 8 meter and 7 decameter, correct? Sorry, decimeter, that's my mistake, decimeter. Okay, decameter is greater than decimeter. Sorry, decimeter, it is like this. First is coming the decimeter, then meter, and then decameter. Okay, that we have seen in first problem. Okay, so 8 meter you can easily show. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is 8 meter. Clear? And you require to show 7 decimeters. So we will count from here also. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th line from 0. 7th line from 0. 8 meter, 7 decimeter. Clear? Is there any doubt how to draw plane scale? Is there any doubt?
No.
Anyone? Okay. We will now see what is the third problem. Okay. Now, what is the third problem? What is the third problem? On map of Gujarat, it is given that 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. Okay. Construct a plane scale to measure distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda. Okay. Indicate distance between Ahmedabad and Anand. First of all, we need to measure distance between Ahmedabad. We need to measure distance between Ahmedabad and Baroda, and then we need to measure, indicate distance between Ahmedabad and Anand. It is given that Ahmedabad to Baroda is 100 kilometers, and Ahmedabad to Anand is equal to 65 kilometers. Now, this problem is slightly unique. Unique in which sense? That in earlier problem you were told that to show some 2 units together. It's smaller unit. Are you getting me? 8 meter, 7 decimeter, or say 1 meter, 2 centimeters, etc. Here, everything is in kilometers. There is no second distance as such. Second unit. Unit is only. But still, you need to use plane scale. So how we can use it? We can use the concept of tenths and ones that we have learned in very elementary, or we can also say that is in kindergarten. Now if 11 is there, so what is the value of tens? 10 plus 1, correct? Correct. If 35 is there, so it is 30 plus 5, correct? Tens and ones. If it is 47, then it will be 40 plus 7, correct? If it is 79, then it will be 70 plus 9. If it is 90, then it will be 90 plus 0. Correct? Everyone knows these concepts from very elementary level. Okay, I assume everyone knows that. So we will use that concept here. We will use tens and ones. So before that, what is the first step? Whenever you require to draw any scale, first step is RF. What is RF in this case? What is RF in this case? Anyone? Chalo, answer me. What is RF?
1 by 5 into 10 raised to 5.
Okay, first of all, drawing size is 1 centimeter. And given that actual size is 5 kilometers, fine. But now we will convert that kilometer into meter. Clear? And that meter into centimeter. Correct? This much. This is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is our RF. Now, next step we will find length of scale. Correct? So length of scale is equal to RF into maximum distance. Okay, what is our RF? 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum distance is? What is maximum distance in this problem? What is the maximum distance you need to measure?
100.
100 kilometers. Kilometers, units are very important. So 100, now kilometer into meter and meter into centimeter. Clear? So now we will simplify this and we will calculate the length of scale. What is the length of scale? (20 centimeter), isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will divide our horizontal line. First of all, we will draw a horizontal line of 20 centimeters. You also keep doing with me. Okay, you can see whole line. Okay, now we will divide this line into 10 parts, 10 equal parts, okay, of 2 centimeter each. Why we are doing so? Because we want to use concept of tens and ones. Okay, now if you divide it into 20 parts, so one part will become how much kilometer? One part. If you divide this 20 centimeter into 20 parts, and your one part will be 1 centimeter, so that 1 centimeter will be how much kilometers?
5.
5. It is already given. So when you will measure this Ahmedabad Anand distance, you will be directly do it. You will be able to directly do it from right side. Understand? You won't be able to use the concept of ones and tens, isn't it? Because 13 centimeter you will take total, and it will be just 65 centimeters. So we are not doing that. We are actually generating scales from small in combination of smaller unit and bigger unit. Okay, so here unit is same, kilometer only, but we are using concept of tens and ones. So that's why we will divide this into 10 parts. You divide whole line into 10 parts. So each line will be 2 centimeter. Each segment will be 2 centimeter. And we will divide this first segment in how many parts? Again, 10 parts.
10 parts.
Okay. Yes. That will be 2 mm each. Each segment of 2 mm. Got it? And this is whole kilometer. Everything is kilometer. So this will also be kilometer. This will also be kilometer. Got it? So now you need to show Ahmedabad to Baroda distance. How you will be able to show that? How you will show that? Answer me fast. It will be this out to out, isn't it? Whole line, isn't it? Correct or not? This whole line is 20 centimeter, and we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. So 20 into 5, that is 100 kilometers. So whole line will be covered. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Ahmedabad to Anand distance. How much is that? 65 kilometers. Okay. So this is how you will be able to show 65 kilometers. How you will show 65 kilometers on this? Answer me. Anyone answer me? How you will be able to show 65 kilometers? Answer is also in front of you. Isn't it? चलो आंसर दो भाई. How much is 0 to 1 is how many kilometers? 0 to 1.
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. These
20.
1 to 2.
Also
Again
10.
10 kilometers. 2 to 3 is 10. 3 to 4 is 10. 4 to 5 is 10. 5 to 6 is 10. So up to 6, how many kilometers are there? 10,
60.
20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 kilometers. So up to here, we are having 60. And this segment shows 1 kilometer each. The single line shows 1 kilometer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
5 lines from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Got it? That will give you 65 kilometers. If on the same scale you are asked to show 73 kilometers, can you show it? 73 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
7 on the right side and 3 lines on left side,
Left
isn't
side.
it?
Yes, sir.
This is the plane scale, which is unique in the way that it is using concept of ones and tens rather than 2 units separate unit. Understand? Decimeter, centimeter, centimeter, millimeter, likewise. This is you using kilometers only, but ones and tens. Okay, now we will see the next problem. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, construct a diagonal scale. with scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 kilometers, showing kilometer, hectometer and decameter. Understand? So biggest out of these three is, which one is the biggest out of these three?
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Then smaller than kilometer is
Hectometer.
hectometer, and hectometer smaller than hectometer is decameter. Okay, the scale should be long enough to measure up to 5 kilometers. Okay, indicate the scale distance: 3 kilometer, 3 kilometers, 7 hectometer and 8 decameter. Okay, so what is the first procedure, first step? What is the first step?
Find RF.
Very good. What is RF? What is RF? It is given already.
1 by 5 into 10 raised to 4.
Okay, we will do that. So that is first of all RF. Okay, so RF is equal to drawing size by actual size. Always write like this. What is drawing size? 1 centimeter, and actual size is 0.5 kilometers. So that is into 1000 into 10. Sorry, 100, isn't it? So what will be the actual? So it will be 1 by 50,000, I think. Please make me correct if I am wrong. Is it this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is RF. Now what is length of scale? That is RF into maximum distance, isn't it? So that is 1 by 50,000 into maximum distance is what?
5
5
kilometers.
kilometers. That's kilometer into meter first of all, and then meter into centimeter, isn't it? So length will be how much?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Correct? Okay. So now, just wait a minute. Hello? Huh? Huh? Where do you? I'm right now in class. I'm not free right now. I'm taking class. I thought it is from this way. Sorry. We'll talk later on. Message me later.
Sir, sir,
Okay. So now what we will do? We'll draw one line of 10 centimeter, isn't it? Actually, we should draw it a bit lower. We'll divide it into how many parts? 5 parts. Correct? Okay. Now what we will do? We will draw one vertical line here. Understand? At the end. You will divide that also in 10 parts. So we will divide this horizontally into 10 parts and vertically into 10 parts. Okay. And while doing this roller scale become very useful. See, you can easily see how much distance you have traveled, isn't it? You can easily see in roller scale. So you can set it at some particular uh, okay. So now I will have it. Sorry. It should not. We should divide just this segment into 10 equal parts. Okay. We can also divide these vertical parts into 10 equal vertical line into 10 equal parts. Hope you are doing it with me. Okay. We will divide this top also in 10 equal parts. This is diagonal scale we are dealing it. Okay. We will mark them from 0 to 10. Understand? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, I did one mistake. I divided into 11 parts. So this is the top one actually. Are you able to see this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Confirm just one thing. So we will name them also starting from 0. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is already 10. 10 done. Okay, have you done this much? Have you done this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will name these also. This is 1, 0, 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3, and 4. Okay, now a bit unique kind of thing. What we will do, we will take this first segment and we will join it with the last segment diagonally. Are you getting me? Like this. See, this is the first. I will join it with last one. So it will have a diagonal view. Correct? Like this. So we will follow this for all the points. So all the lines will be diagonal line. Do it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this line will show us kilometers like this. This a smaller unit than kilometer is in our problem is hectometer, and the smallest unit is decameter. Correct? Up to this, everyone is understood how to draw. There is nothing specific, just to take care of this diagonal line. That's it. Divide it carefully. That's it. Now, what distance is asked by the examiner also? What distance is asked in problem? 3 kilometers, 7 hectometers, and 8 decameters. Isn't it? Isn't it
Yes, sir. It is.
fast? I know you are hungry. I am also hungry. Just few minutes. So this 3 kilometers, we can directly get it from here. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, and 3 kilometers, isn't it? That will be 3 kilometers, this distance. Now, second is 7 hectometers. So seventh line from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and seventh line is from here. So we will mark first of all that point like this. Now 8 decameter. So we will go in upward direction to the 8th point. 1, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 on that line only. That diagonal line only. Okay. From 8. This is, I will write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, if you carefully observe, I did one mistake. Okay. Instead of 7, I marked it here in 6. So that should be, you should be very careful. So on 7th line and then on 8th line on that diagonal. Okay. So this is wrong. This is wrong. So that point will fetch us required distance. Understood how to draw?
Yes, sir.
This is 3 kilometer, 7 hectometer, and 8 decameter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
To do this. Now, in this sheet, I will share my screen. Just I will take last 5 minutes. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are having 6 problems in this sheet. Fine. First one we have already seen. Second one we have already performed. Third one also performed. Fourth one also performed. Now what is the fifth and sixth? You just observe it. It is nothing different. It is again diagonal scale only. Same diagonal scale we need to draw. Understand? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, same scale. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So these you'll be able to perform by yourself. Understood? And all the sheet work you start preparing sheet work and sketchbook work, because we may have, I don't know precisely as yet, it will be circulated to you also, but as far as my information, during the first to the second week we will be having submission and continuous evaluation, marking, etc. Understood? So you start preparing for every subject, whatever submission is there. Okay?
सर
Yes.
वो शीट में आपको जो पीडीएफ बना के भेजनी है वो एक एक ड्राइंग एक पीडीएफ पेपर में आएगा ना?
नहीं, you merge it. You will send.
नहीं मतलब पूरा फोटो खींचना है कि एक एक फोटो खींचना है?
नहीं, पूरा फोटो खींच लेने का. अच्छा फोटो आना चाहिए, मैं जूम करके चेक कर लूंगा.
ओके सर.
whole sheet, one photograph.
Okay.
Or whatever, if you also have drawn on back side, no problem. You take two photographs and merge it. PDF, you merge it. 2-page PDF will be there. And if you want to, even if you want to do, or if you want to capture problem wise, I don't mind. 5 or 6 photographs you take and merge the PDF. After converting into PDF, you merge it. It will be lot convenient. So
Okay, sir.
if possible,
Sir.
yes,
हेलो सर.
yes.
सर वो पहला टाइटल ब्लॉक जो है वो हर एक शीट का
Yes,
बेचना है.
yes. Title block is very important for any engineering drawing. So 8 sheet will be having. So if you want, you can prepare it in advance also for remaining sheet. Anything else? Anyone want to ask anything regarding submission or whatever it is? See, after uploading any assignment or any sheet which is already been covered, I will still give you 2 or 3 days. Understand? So that is sufficient, more than sufficient time actually. Okay? Any question? Anyone?
सर वेडनेसडे है तो सर कल वेडनेसडे तक या फिर आज रात 12 बजे तक.
वेडनेसडे तक, वेडनेसडे का थर्सडे हो जाए तब तक you can send.
ओके.
See, there is no hard and fast as such from my side. One day here and there, so Wednesday का आप Thursday morning कर दिया 8 AM, 10 AM तो भी ठीक है. But as far as possible, you try to stick with the schedule. Wednesday 12 बजे तक कर दो. More than enough time दिया है already.
ओके सर.
Okay, so I will upload these documents. Sheet number 2. You start preparing these also. Okay.
सर एक शीट में 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकते हैं.
Sorry.
सर A2 साइज शीट बहुत बड़ी होती है सर, तो उसमें एक शीट में 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो सकते हैं.
अरे शीट ए, तुमने कौन बोल रहा है ये? Who is this? अरे नाम तो बताओ क्या है इसमें?
सर अर्जुन.
अर्जुन, तुमने शीट परचेज की है?
यस सर. A2 साइज सर.
कौन सी साइज?
A2.
So within that A2 size only you need to accommodate everything. Even in exam you will be given that A2 size only. That's it. So you have to accommodate within
सर
that.
तो
हाँ
सर तो एक ही शीट में सारे क्वेश्चन करते हैं.
हाँ, एक शीट मतलब ये जो शीट नंबर वाइज मैं दे रहा हूँ ना, 1 sheet, 2nd sheet, 3rd sheet. So you will total have 8 sheets. That's it. You will have to accommodate all problem of that sheet within one piece of paper. You can use 2 sides if you want. As such, it won't be required as also because I am already having sheets with me, drawn sheet. They are already completed in one side only. But if you still want to use second side, I don't mind from my side.
ओके सर.
And when from out of this discussion, you got some information like this, then you circulate to batch A, batch B, whatever batch you are. You circulate such information without creating some misinformation. Okay, and always follow that Google Classroom. I will post some instruction over there. And if required, I have one person from each branch. I have contact details of one person from each branch, civil, mechanical, chemical, etc. I will convey my whatever I want to convey, I will convey. If I don't have any time to post, etc., I will immediately convey. So everything, please pay attention to that Google Classroom. Anyone still haven't joined Google Classroom, please join. It is link is already given in your chat box. Everyone has joined?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Hope that no one is balanced. Okay. So I will upload this second sheet also. Fine. And see, this second sheet. Right now we have to solve 4 problems within 1.5 hours. That too, me explaining you, repeatedly waiting for you, etc. So you won't require that much time. Half an hour, this second sheet will be over. Half an hour. And you are asking for 5 days, 4 days, etc. Understand? Each sheet is designed everywhere in such a way that you can at max finish in 1 hour. In such speed is there, then only you will be able to complete all problems in your examination. Understood? So when you are given some days,
Yes.
then it is already more than enough. Anyone want to ask anything? Or we will end this session? Someone wants to ask something or?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will end this session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.